Okay, here we are on the Add Assignment page. Now to arrive at this page, we've just gone to Assignments and then New Template. And from here we can create new assignments that we can then pass on to our staff members to work on for us. So what we're going to do is create a brand new template here, and I'm just going to give it a title, just call it Test Assignment, just to give you an idea as to how this works. If I scroll down the page here, we've got an area here where we can then add our text instructions and also videos. So we could have like text instructions here, and of course they can be formatted by selecting any one of these here. We can make it any size, we can do anything to the text formatting we would like to do here. But as well as that, we can also add images. So just enter the URL to the image. We can turn text into hypertext links, so you can enter the URL there for that particular text after selecting it. And of course you can add videos as well, and I highly recommend videos as a way of being able to instruct people exactly what it is you want them to do for you. So the way I usually go about doing this is I'd create the video, then I'd upload it to our YouTube account. From there I'd then make the video unlisted and then get the embed code, come back to this page here, drop it in here, and that's going to give us a nice video to show to our staff members so they know exactly what needs to be done. So let's go ahead and do that. So I've already uploaded a video. Here's my YouTube channel. You can see some other videos that I've uploaded. What I'm looking for one is that's unlisted. So here's one that I can use. So if you already have a video here that's not unlisted, making it unlisted is very easy. Okay, so I've just clicked on edit, and then we just go from where it says privacy settings, and you might have it set to public, just change it to unlisted, and then only the person with a link can view it, which is ideal. It's exactly what we need. So let's go back to that page again, and there's the video. I'm just going to click on it, and that's taking us to the video page, because what we need is the embed code. So what I'm going to do is click on share, and I'm going to get the embed code, and of course what I can do is change the size of it. The size that we're given by YouTube is perfectly fine, 560 pixels wide, but we can actually go wider than that and make the video bigger. Now the advantage of that is the bigger the video is, the more detail you can share with your staff members. So what we can do here is we can change the custom width to a maximum of 800, and we can see as we type that in, that's automatically going to 450 in depth. So that's fine for what we need, and I'm now going to grab that code, so I'm just copying it, and then I'm going to bring it over to here. Now this is important because what I need to do is go into the source code mode. You get to that place by just clicking on here where it says show source. So there's the code that we already have in there, and I'm just going to paste the iframe code in from the YouTube video. Now I'm going to click on that again, and here we have the preview of the video. So that's the video that I just dropped in. I can just take out some extra space there that we don't need. But let's scroll down the page a bit further, because what we have here is the checklist, and this is very, very important because this is the core for everything within OutVeo, because from here you're recording the time, you're recording the progress of every single assignment that you're doing that's being worked on for you. So I'm just going to type in step 1, for example, and from here we can actually format it. I can make the size bigger, I can include images, I can include even video if I wanted to, just as we had done above here. So for each checklist step you can include a video. It's exactly what you can do, or just include text. It's entirely up to you. So that's one checklist item, so we've got that set up. Then I'm going to add a new one, and we're going to call this one step 2, add new item, step 3. Okay, that's ready, so I'm just going to save and continue editing. So now those items are in there. Now if you wanted to remove an item from here, like for example step 2, just make it blank, just take everything out of it and then just save and continue editing. And as you can see, that step has been removed. But you can also move things around by just clicking the up or the down link. So we can now see that the order has changed. Once you're happy with that, it's just a matter of publishing it. So I'm going to click on the publish button here, and I need to clear that from a previous search, so I'm going to clear the filter. So here, if I go back to assignments, templates, that then gives us a list of all of our assignments here that we have, and it should be listed. Here we are, this is our test assignment, here it is, and we can see that it's already active. So what I'm going to do now is click on the edit button, and I can just go in and edit it and make any other changes to it that I want to make. So there you have it. That's how you go about working with an assignment template page. It's very simple, as you can see, and you can use that assignment template over and over again. Let me just show you a quick tip here, because let's see now, we've got the test assignment. So here's our assignment. What we can do is we can then go ahead and duplicate that, and we can then make some slight changes to it if we wanted to, resave it, and then use that again. So we're not having to reinvent the wheel each time. We can then use that particular assignment template over and over again. We can make minor changes to it. So there's lots of scope for the different things that you can do. So there we have it. That's how you work with assignment templates. Okay, thanks very much. If you have any questions at all, just head on over to outveo.com/help, create a support ticket there, and we'll do our best to help you out as soon as possible. Thanks very much.